Hello students, welcome you all in Sudhir Jaiswal Edu Maths. Today we are going to learn the most important topic of the mathematics, simple interest and compound interest. Okay, so here we have some example here, simple interest SI and compound interest CI. Okay, let's understand these concepts by taking an example. Suppose you have given someone rupees 5,000. That means your principal value is rupees 5,000 and you are charging interest. The rate of interest is 10%, means you are charging 10% interest on this. So if you are charging the rate of interest on simple interest, so the value will be different. You will see it later. And if suppose you gave this money rupees 5,000 for 3 months. Okay, so the period n equal to here, the time, you can say that the time is 3 months. You can write it 3 months. So here the period will be 3. So here you can write also n equal to 3. All right. Now let's find out the simple interest for first month. Okay, the first month means suppose it is I1. Okay, interest for first month, suppose it is I1. So since it is 10% of 5,000, so find out 10% of 5,000. When you solve this, what would you get? You can see here it would be 500. Okay, interest for second month, again this is 10% of 5,000. It is 10% of 5,000. Again you get the same value, 500. Okay, I3, put it down. I3 would be same, 10% of I3 is the interest for third month. Interest for third month, it is 10% of again 5,000. Again you get rupees 500. So what do you see? Actually the value of 500 here, the principal is not changing at every instance. Here first, second and third, here principal is not changing. You are taking the principal value constant. Here the principal value is constant for all the months. So if you calculate all the interest, 500 plus 500, so it would be interest would be total interest for 3 months would be 1,500. So what value would you pay to that means you'll get after 3 months, it would be your principal, which is the 5,000 plus the interest 1,500, the principal plus interest. Okay, it would be your amount after 3 months. Okay, so principal is 5,000 plus amount is 1,500. So what would it be? It would be 6,500. All right. Now this is 6,500. Now let's move on. Compound interest. Same instance, principal rupees 5,000. Rate of interest is 10% per month. Okay, here is also per month. Okay, per month, and time again 3 months. Okay, you're giving, to n would be 3, of course, n would be 3. Now interest for the first month, and here we are going to talk about compound interest. So interest for first month would be same here, like this, 10% of 5,000. it would be 10 into 1 by 100, you will get the same value, 500. All right, so rupees 500 is I1. What is that? I1 means the interest, compound interest for the first month, compound interest for the second month. That's so here you need to do one thing. You cannot take the value of 10% first, write it 10% of what. Here you are taking the same value, constant value 5000 on all the cases you took here in simple interest, but here you have to change the amount, change the principal. Okay, here the 5000, which is the principal for the first month. Now for the second month you need to add the interest also. That means you give interest of interest, you give interest on interest, you save. So interest on interest, that means with 5000 you are paying, your principal is rupees 5000 and you're adding rupees 500, which was the interest for the first month. Okay, now you're going to find the interest not on 5000, on 5500. Okay, that means you are applying that means the interest value on interest value on interest. So 10% 1 by 100 into 5500, so it would be 550. This is the compound interest for what you say second month. Now let's talk about I3. Again 10% of, not the constant value here 5000 you took, you need to now place the value. What was the principal, previous principal 5500. Now you have to change the principal value, the 5500 plus the interest for the second month 550. You are applying, you are going to take money on interest on interest, you're going to make money on interest also. That means that's why you get always the more value in compound interest. You'll see it later. So percent into, this is what is the value here, 50, 6050. Yeah, 5, yeah, very nice. So cut it, so you would end up with rupees 605. Okay, rupees 605 here. Now calculate all the interest. If you calculate all the interest, simple compound interest. Okay, compound interest, you will, this is 500 plus 550 plus 605. So what would you get? You would get here 5 6 5 11 plus 5 16 1655, I think, is it? Okay, 1000 5 yeah, all right. So this is the value, compound interest. Now you need to find what. Okay, so when you calculate the amount, what would you receive? The amount would be, I can write here the amount. Give me one amount for when you'll get in amount, you'll get here the principal rupees 5000 plus the compound interest. What is the compound interest? 1655. So you will get here 5 6,655. Here you see, you'll receive 6,655. And what was your what was the amount when you are applying simple interest? The amount was here 6,500. When you are applying 6,000, the amount was 6,500 when you were applying simple interest. So here you see, when you get the relation of these two amounts, you will get here the compound interest is more. Compound interest, in the amount when you are applying on the compound interest is more here, and it is actually, when you compare this, you will get the value 6,655 minus 6,500 means 155. It is 155 rupees more. Okay. So in this way you can see that earlier you in simple interest was what, 1,500. You got here the compound interest 1,655. So you see here the compound interest is always more you get. So whenever you give money to any person, if you give him on compound interest, you will receive more money. Okay. So here this is actually the basic formula I have applied here. You can also use the simple formula if you want to get the compound interest, and the simple formula is SI equal to principal into, okay, if you want to find here, so SI simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 5,000, R is 10, T is time, and period is 3, okay, upon 100. You will get here 1,500 is your simple interest. Okay. If you need to find the amount, so amount would be principal plus simple interest. So what is the principal? 5,000 plus simple interest 1,500. It is 6,500. Okay. The amount you receive after 3 months. Okay. When you apply formula of compound interest, it is actually P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. So what is your P? Is 5,000. 1 plus, what is R? 10 upon 100. Number of period is 3. Okay. So 5,000. Got it. You'll 1 plus 1 by 10. 10 with the 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10 whole raised to power 3. 5,000. 11 cube is 1331. 10 cube is 1,000. Cancel it. 5 ones are 5. 5 3 15. 5 5 3 15. 1 16. 1 5 1 5 1 6. 6,655. It is very easy when you apply the formula of compound interest here. Okay. So it was actually not compound interest, sorry. It was the formula of amount. Okay. Amount. When you add that amount on compound in compound interest. Okay. So if you need to find the compound interest here, you have to subtract the principal from amount. The principal is what? Is 5,000 and the amount is 6,655. Okay. Minus 5,000. You will get here 655. Alright. Rupees 655 as a compound interest. So in this method, by using these methods, you can find out the simple interest and compound interest. I hope you understood. So in compound interest you'll get more money. Okay, if you are receiving, if you're borrowing some money from anyone, so try to get money on simple interest. Okay, or if you are giving someone money, if you are lending it, so charge it on compound interest. You'll receive more money. It will be more profitable. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.